Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust, tow hitch of course, backup camera, as well as we do have some nice gripped running boards, trailer tow mirrors that also have blind spot detection, turn light indicator, and spotlight. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. This is your 6 additional seat. You got 12-volt cup holders, of course. You can lift up the seats if you need additional space. And this does turn into a nice storage compartment, if you give me 2 seconds. Which is all pretty nice. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake and parking brake release, and your lights on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 59,614 kilometers. We do have a vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, play back, play forward, mode, mute, voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle free screen, which you can then go through display mode, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, settings, and so on and so forth. Got cup holders, storage, more storage underneath, your 6 additional seat, which you do get storage underneath as well. More storage with a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Trailer disconnect, 4-wheel drive, and rear locking differential. A 12-volt and 110. You do get storage here as well, and below. You have your climate controls just right there. Engine brake, hazards, and traction. Storage above. And you got your media controls, volume tune, all that fun stuff. We do have our audio, compass, and phone. Audio, which you do get Sirius XM capabilities. Phone, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Ford Pass, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7764, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.